Ransomware awareness and prevention. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malware designed to extort money from victims by encrypting their files or locking them out of their systems. Attackers demand a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency, in exchange for restoring access to the data or decrypting the files. Ransomware attacks can be devastating, leading to financial losses, data breaches, and disruptions to critical services. How does ransomware work? This section provides an overview of common ransomware attack vectors and techniques used by cybercriminals. It covers phishing emails and malicious attachments, drive-by downloads and exploit kits, remote desktop protocol (RDP) vulnerabilities, malvertising and watering hole attacks. Prevention strategies. Protecting against ransomware requires a proactive approach. This section outlines best practices and preventive measures to reduce the risk of falling victim to ransomware attacks. It includes regularly updating operating systems and software, implementing robust backup strategies, user awareness training and phishing simulations, using reputable security software and firewalls, applying the principle of least privilege, enforcing strong password policies. Response and recovery. In the unfortunate event of a ransomware incident, a well-prepared response plan is crucial. This section provides guidance on immediate steps to take upon discovering a ransomware attack, isolating and containing the affected systems, reporting the incident to relevant authorities, evaluating the available options for data recovery, rebuilding systems and strengthening security controls, learning from the incident and updating preventive measures.